Welcome you all. Today let's see angular momentum as a vector product. If you have an object of mass m and it's moving with velocity v, we know that this body has momentum called linear momentum. This linear momentum is directly proportional to mass and velocity. The symbol for linear momentum is a small letter p. Therefore, p is equal to mv. Then, the angular momentum is considered as a rotational equivalent of linear momentum. Let's look at some examples. The planets move around the sun, the earth keeps on spinning, an ice skater executes a spin. Here in these examples, the rotational property of the system is expressed by angular momentum. The symbol for angular momentum is L, capital L. First, we study the angular momentum of a single particle. For that, consider a particle of mass m rotates around an origin. R is the position vector of the particle and p is the linear momentum of a particle. Here the vectors r and p locates the particle in the plane xy. Then the angular momentum of a particle of a mass m with respect to O is given by L vector is equal to R vector cross P vector. Here you can substitute linear momentum P is equal to mv. So angular momentum L vector is equal to R vector cross mv vector. This is equal to m into r vector cross v vector. Then you take cross product of these two given vectors r and v to find out the magnitude of angular momentum. From the expression a cross b is equal to ab sin theta, the magnitude of L is equal to mrv sin theta. For a circular orbit, the given vectors r and v are right angles to each other. So, the angle between these two vectors theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, sin theta is equal to sin 90 degree, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the angular momentum L is equal to mvr. Here L is a vector quantity that describes the circular motion of an object. The direction of angular momentum is given by the vector product right hand rule. When your right hand fingers curling to point the rotation of the particle about an axis, the thumb of your right hand indicates the direction of angular momentum. The unit of angular momentum is kilogram meter square per second. So, if the particle is in a circular orbit, its angular momentum with respect to the center is perpendicular to the plane of the orbit. The angular momentum is same at every point on an orbit and it is conserved, and this leads to one of the Kepler's law. For example, solar system, here each planet is held in its orbit by its gravitational attraction to the sun, a force that acts along the vector from sun to the planet. Thus, the force cannot change the angular momentum of any planet with respect to the sun. Thank you.